चलो आओ. This is Orchid Park. Come.
কি নাম তোমার?
हाँ चलो. अपनी याते?
Yes.
অলপ ফুটাই দিব দে, কৈ দিব কি কি আছে. হ্যাঁ? What you can? You're not interested. মুখ দেখাই দিব দেই. ছোৱালী মানুহ.
ओके সকলোকে নমস্কাৰ স্যাৰ এইটো প্ৰথম পন হয় ইয়াত আমি 2000 অৰ্কিড প্ৰজাতি প্ৰকৃতি দিছো
কিমান 2000
প্ৰথমতে হলিটো আমাৰ কপফুল এতিয়া ফুলনে ভাগমতে ফুলিব
আচ্ছা
ফক্সটেল অৰ্কিড বুলি কয়
ফক্সটেল
সাইন্টিফিক নেম ৰেনকোষ্টালিস ৰেটুসাসা
আচ্ছা
আৰু এইটো সিকিম জাতীয় ফুল
সিকিম
এইটো ডেন্ড্ৰবিয়াম নোবাল বুলি কয় এইটো হ'ল আমাৰ পৃথিৱীৰ ভিতৰত আটাইতকৈ সৰু অৰ্কিড টেনিফ্লাম গ্লেণ্ডেলিছাম বুলি কয় আৰু এইটো আমাৰ ভাৰতৰ অকল আমাৰ অসমৰ পাই কাৰ্বি আংলং ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট তিনচুকীয়া আৰু ডিব্ৰুগড় ফুল সাইজ হ'ল 1.2 মিটাৰ এইটো নেকি এইটো স্যাৰ এই সৰুটো 2 সপ্তাহ আগতে ফুলিছিলে স্যাৰ এতিয়া শুকাই গ'ল আৰু এটা কুলি হৈছে আৰু এটা শুকাই গ'ল স্যাৰ এইটো শুকাই গ'ল এটা কুলি হৈছে ইমান সৰু হয় স্যাৰ আচ্ছা আৰু এইটো পাত না থাকে স্যাৰ এইটো কাৰণে পাত বিহীন অৰ্কিড বুলি কয় আচ্ছা স্যার ইয়াত আমি দুই ধৰণৰ অৰ্কিড প্ৰিজাৰ্ভ ৰাখি থৈ দিছো এই উলুমি থকা গিটা এইটো এপিফাইড অৰ্কিড বুলি কয় গিটা মাটি লাগে স্যাৰ আচ্ছা এই গিটা মাটি না লাগে এইটো গছৰ ওপৰত থাকে যেনেকা আমাৰ কপফুল স্যাৰ একে আৰু এইটো মাটি থকা এইটো আমাৰ খমিয়া
আপুনি হিন্দী জানে নেকি হিন্দীটো একে কথা ক'ব পাৰে হিন্দীত কৈ দিব না
ओके तो ये हम लोगों ने दो तरह का ऑर्किड प्रिजर्व करके रखे सर जो ऊपर रखे ना ये एपिफाइड ऑर्किड कहते हैं इन सबको मिट्टी नहीं चाहिए हाँ ये पेड़ के ऊपर में रहते हैं और ये ग्राउंड ऑर्किड है मिट्टी में रहने वाली
ये तो अच्छा ये तो ग्राउंड ऑर्किड
हाँ ये सर
अच्छा
हाँ सर एपिफाइड ऑर्किड में दो तरह का रूट होते हैं यहाँ पे हाँ सर यहाँ पे आइए हाँ एपिफाइड ऑर्किड में दो तरह का रूट होते हैं ये एरिया रूट कहते हैं सर यहाँ से मॉइस्चर्स का लेते हैं हवा से लेते हैं अच्छा और दूसरा है जो पकड़ने के लिए होता है ना पेड़ के ऊपर में रहता है तो पकड़ना होता है ना ये क्लिंगिंग रूट कहते हैं अच्छा हाँ तो सिर्फ यहाँ से मॉइस्चर्स कलेक्ट करते हैं और सिर्फ मॉइस्चर्स कलेक्ट करने से तो जिंदा नहीं रहेंगे सर जो मिनरल्स वगैरह है ना रेन वाटर से एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं अच्छा अच्छा ओके सर और जो सपोर्ट के लिए रखा है सर 90% हमने ये फर्न लॉग यूज किया है क्योंकि लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होता है कंपेयर टू जो लकड़ी होता है सर ये 10 साल 12 साल से चल रहे और ये पानी को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है और कि तो मॉइस्चर से ह्यूमिडिटी चाहिए तो हमने ये 90% हम ये अच्छा फर्म इसको क्या कहते हैं फर्न लॉग यस सर So now how to identify the difference between normal flowers and orchid flowers sir har phool ko ki orchid nahi apni english jodi jane english ko dibo english to bhal apnar yes sir now how to identify the difference between normal flowers and orchid flowers in orchid flowers it always have 6 petals sir 5 are similar one is different this is a main characteristic to identify orchid sir now you can see 5 flowers 6 petals 5 petals yes sir it will be 6 petals and it will be 5 plus 1 sir you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 this is a different one sir 5 are similar this is a different
acha 5 are similar yes, one is different yes, that's the identification of orchid
yes sir
nice
okay sir this is in simple terms is we go to botanical terms then this tree is called separators and this tree is called petals
okay these are called petals
yes,
the
sir.
small ones
yeah the small ones are called petals and the bigger one is called separators sir.
Okay nice
okay sir in orchid flowers let's go back to the simple terms in orchid flowers one petal is always different that is to attract the insects for pollination purpose
okay
because 80% orchid are non fragrance only 20% are fragrant so without any fragrance insect won't be attracted so to attract the insect one petal is always different sir.
Okay got it
yes, sir. And this is bulbophyllum sir so to attract the insect that modified petal used to shake like a pendulum sir did you see that that's it to attract the insect
acha
yes sir in naturally in the forest when the wind will blow there and it
acha to attract acha nice
yes sir and flower will always not bloom sir like this one this is not blooming so when there is no flower you must look at the leaves to identify the orchid sir 99% leaves are in parallel venation this is the second character to identify the orchid okay sir this is the fern log I'm talking about
okay
and yes sir and
Ellie look after him na and he wants to drink water
yes. And orchid is a non-parasitic plant, sir. Means though they live on the tree, but they don't take any nutrients from the tree. This is the example. Just was we just hang it.
And mineral to mane from the rain.
Yes, sir. It is
Achha. You don't have to supply water separately, kya?
Yes, we must do because we plan here. No?
Okay.
Okay, sir. And in a purified orchid does not require soil. That's why we put bricks and charcoal, sir. Bricks is to absorb water and charcoal is to protect from fungus, sir.
Okay. Charcoal protects from fungus,
yes,
kya?
Sir.
Okay.
And orchid is a bisexual plant, sir. You can see here, means there is a male and female in each and every flower, sir.
Okay.
So though it's a bisexual plant, but it does not serve pollinators. It needs insect for pollination. When the insect will go to eat that nectar, sir, the insect will break this box. This is called pollen box. There is a male and female inside this box. So the insect will break this box, and the layer which divide the male and female will break by the insect, sir. Then after it will pollinate, sir.
Okay.
And yes, sir. And orchid needs specific pollinator for pollination. If the pollinator insect is extinct, then orchid will be extinct, sir. Because there will be no pollinations. If there will be no pollinations, there will be no new plants.
You cannot do it unnaturally. Okay? Pollination you need the insect.
We can do. That's why hybrid are made.
Okay.
Yes. But naturally, it needs a specific pollinator pollination, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. And the insect which can break this box will become specific pollinator, sir. And different orchid has different specific pollinators.
Achha.
Yes, sir.
Every insect cannot pollinate every.
Yes, sir. You get it.
Okay. Nice.
And yes, sir, hybrid orchid depends on fertilizers and medicines and all. And wild orchid depends on climate, sir. So to keep wild orchid, we made artificial climate here.
Okay.
Wild orchid does not require direct sunlight and it does not need too much water. So that's why we put net here. Sir.
Okay. So these are all, everything here is orchid, kya?
Yes, sir.
Every
not
plant?
Everything, sir. 90% are orchid, 10% are normal plants and rare plants, sir.
Okay.
Like that anthurium. Anthurium is not an orchid, sir.
Okay.
The red one.
Okay.
It's not an orchid.
Okay, because it doesn't have 5 petals,
Yes,
na?
yes. 6 petals. 5
6.
plus 1.
It's a 5 plus 1. Okay. And these are all orchids?
Yes, sir. This is not orchid. This is called Cattleya. The another species of Cattleya is Colombian national flower, sir.
Colombian national flower?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Like in normal plant, after pollinations, it make pods, sir. Fruit. But in orchid, it make pods, sir. Inside this pod, there are millions of seeds. And when the pod will become mature, the pod will burst, sir. Okay. And then the millions of cells will spread. And when it will find mycorrhiza fungus, then it will germinate, sir.
That fungus is required?
Yes, sir. It needs specific fungus for germination.
Okay.
And mycorrhiza fungus is too tiny that we can see our with naked egg, sir.
Okay.
Naked eyes, sorry for that. Nice. Yes, sir. And mycorrhiza fungus is especially found in moss, sir.
In moss?
Yes.
Achha. Got it.
And this is called dancing lady orchid, sir, because it's like a girl dancing. That's why we call it as dancing lady orchid.
Dancing lady
this
orchid?
Is a dancing lady.
Dancing lady orchid.
It's said like a girl dancing Kathakali. That's why we call dancing.
Okay, okay.
Dancing lady.
Okay, sir. So this is the Bulbophyllum. Bulbophyllum is the largest genus in orchid, sir. It has 2,000 species. So this is called Bulbophyllum cariflorum. Okay, sir. The scientific name is derived from a Greek word. It's shaped like a bird. That's why we call it bird. And phylum is for the leaves, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. During rainy season, it used to store the nutrients and water here, sir.
Okay.
And in dry season, it used to consume the water from here. The leaves used to consume the water from here.
Okay.
So you can see here, but there is no leaf. Means the water is already used up, sir.
Okay, and the leaf, it drops the leaves.
Yes, sir. It's going to drop. Yes, sir. And it's like our bank balance, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. This is a Sikkim state flower. This is the hybrid one, sir.
Okay.
And this is the wild one.
This is
Sikkim
hybrid?
Yes, sir.
And this is the wild one?
This is the wild one.
And this is the wild one?
Yes, sir. This is
it's not blooming, na?
Yeah, this is the local chicken. This is the broilers.
This is local chicken. And this is boiler.
Okay, sir. So this is called Vanda bicolor because it has two colors, sir. You can see here. In front side is grey in color, in back side is white in color. So that's why it's called as Vanda bicolor. And you can see that modified petal. It's like a dragonfly. That is to attract insect. It is to mimic.
Every this thing tries to attract this thing. Huh? 80% you said they need pollination.
Not sir, 80%. Not
you said something, 80% and
all the orchid is specific pollinators.
And 20% they can pollinate by.
80% does not have a fragrance, sir. Only 20%.
Achha, 20% has fragrance.
80%
does not have any fragrance.
Okay, sir. This is a thermometer for maintaining the temperature. The temperature should be around 6 to 36, sir.
6 to 36.
Yes, sir.
36. If it goes above 36, they will start to die. Okay?
Yes, sir. Sir. In Assam, sometimes it cross more than 36. So when the temperature cross more than 36, then we put sprinklers, sir. We used to spray the water. Okay. And this is butterfly orchid, sir. Scientific name Phalaenopsis.
Nice. How many species? You have 2,000 species of?
And yes, sir. And this is the largest orchid park in India.
Largest orchid park in India?
Yes, sir. Because here we have preserved 2,000 species, and in our country is found only 1,500 species.
You got it from outside?
Yes,
also?
sir. According to the species, this is the largest orchid park in India.
Okay. That's nice to know.
Yes, and Arunachal has the highest orchid species, because in Arunachal is found around 400, 600 species.
600 species just in Arunachal?
Yes.
And how many species you get in India?
1,500.
1,500 is what you get, and you have about 500 plus more from outside.
Yes, sir. In our state, in Assam state, it's around 400 species, 411 species are found.
411 in Assam?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
And the smallest one is only found in Assam.
That's the smallest one, okay?
Yes, sir. This is vanilla.
What is this? This is also orchid?
Yes, sir. Vanilla flavors that we used it in the ice cream cake, chocolate. This is vanilla plant, sir.
Vanilla plant?
Yes.
This happens in Colombia, na?
Yes, sir. In Assam also we have.
We have vanilla in Assam?
Yes.
This is that vanilla that is used in
Yes, sir.
Eat.
Yes, sir. This is the pot. And we have the dry one. You can smell if you don't believe it.
Achha, but it grows on tree, na? It has like a big pot types. It has seeds. You break this, you take out the seeds, and then achha, wo coffee hota hai shayad.
Yes, that is not. Okay, vanilla is an orchid, sir. That's why we plant here. Because you can see the characteristic here is parallel venations, and it has 6 petals in the flower, sir.
There's no flower?
Yes, sir. And the rare thing is that the flower blooms only for 6 hours in a year, sir.
6 hours in a year?
Yes, sir. And the flowers will bloom in April and May month. Okay. Within the 6 hours, we must do artificial hand pollination, sir. If we do not do the artificial hand pollinations, then the pot will not come. The flavor is made from this pot, sir. The flavor is made from this pot.
This pot?
Yes,
so
sir.
For vanilla flavor, you have to take out this pot?
Yes, sir. We have to dry it. We have the dry one, sir.
Okay, I'll see it. Huh?
Okay. Okay, sir. Here we have 2 conditions to make this pot, sir. Within the 6 hours, we must pollinate. If we did not pollinate, then the pot will not come out. And after pollinating also, if the pollination process is not correct, also the beans will not come out, sir. Okay. Now, you can see here, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers bloom here, but only one is coming. Only one pot is there. Means only one is success, sir.
Okay, so this had 6 flowers. You pollinated all of them, but only one got pollinated properly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The pollination process is correct. That's why only
one.
Okay, sir. And I already told you before that orchid is specific pollinator for pollinations. The pollinator, the vanilla pollinator, is about to extinct, sir. The insect name called Meliponabi.
Meliponabi.
Yes, it's about to extinct because of climate change and deforestation.
Oh, shit.
That's why we must do artificial hand pollinations. And I already referred that orchid needs specific pollinator for pollinations. If it does not need a specific pollinator, then we can do pollinations with other insect. But if it needs, that's why we must do artificial hand pollinations.
Got it.
And it is the second most expensive flavor after saffron, 40,000 per kg, sir.
Okay.
And yes, sir, in our countries, especially cultivated in South India states like Goa, Kerala and Bangalore. Especially in
but that weather is temperature is higher than 36 degrees.
It's too much not depend on weather, sir.
This one is not dependent
yes,
on
sir,
weather.
Yes.
Okay.
And yes, sir. And those who cultivate, most of them, they used to put CCTV cameras, sir. Because only for 6 hours. You miss the 6 hours, you must wait another 1 year.
Oh,
And
bapre.
yes, sir, this is native is Mexico.
Hmm.
Scientific name is Vanilla planifolia, sir. And vanilla also have different species, sir. That is Assam vanilla.
Acha, that is Assam vanilla.
Yes, sir. And,
Okay.
that is Vanilla bornensis. And the flower, the advantage is that the flowers bloom only up to 3 days.
Acha, that's advantage.
Yes, yes, yes.
And is the vanilla flavor different or
No,
same?
sir, it's same.
It's same.
Yes.
Then this is better, though.
Yes, 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 that's why we have the advantage.
Okay.
And that is the steak horn fern. So it's like a steak horn, deer horn. Yes, sir. And 80% of our kids, we collect from 80% we collect from Northeast India, sir, and 20% is from the other states or from the other countries, sir. Like this one.
Hmm.
This is the world largest orchid, sir. It's not found in our country. It's found in Philippines, Indonesia, and Thailand. And it will grow to 25 feet, sir. It's a baby plant now. It will take more 10 years or 15 years to become mature. And the flower is not blooming, sir. The flower will bloom in spring. When it will become mature, sir.
Okay.
Yes, it will cross this.
Acha, it will grow bigger than
Yes,
this,
sir,
kya?
25 feet.
25 feet.
Yes,
Acha.
sir. Scientific name is Grammatophyllum speciesum. This one, so the name is derived from Greek word. Grama is for spot, sir. The flowers look like a tiger skin, sir.
Tiger skin.
Yeah, there is a spot in the flower, sir. That's why in Greek word, for mark it's called grama, and phylum is for the lips, sir.
Okay.
There are 30 in bulbophyllum. Phylum is
Okay,
for
okay.
the lips, yes.
Again, it has this straight lines. All orchids will have straight lines,
Yes.
na?
And this is the fern log I'm talking about, sir.
Okay, yeah, this is
And
beautiful.
we have the trees also, sir. We have the baby plant.
Okay,
This is called pineapple orchid, sir. Because it's a
this
like-
one, this
yes.
one is pineapple. Okay, okay.
Scientific name Dendrobium densiflorans. Sir, you came from?
I came from Lucknow, UP,
Okay.
but my wife is from Nagaland.
Oh, okay.
Naga hoide Angami.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Ma'am, are you a Naga?
Angami.
Nice to meet you.
You are from Assam or
Yes, awesome.
Assamese?
No, I'm not a Samis, I'm a tribal.
Which type?
sorry,
Yes, sir.
Karbi.
We will call out as Samis because we stay here, no, sir. So we will be called as Assamese, but I'm from tribe, sir.
Okay. From Meghalaya.
No, sir. Here, Assam.
अच्छा
Karbi
यहाँ
tribe.
कार्बी ट्राइब अच्छा
Karbi,
कार्बी
Karbi.
ट्राइब ओके
Yes, sir. Then yeah, this is called joker face orchid, sir, because it's shaped like a joker. You can see here. This is the mouth and this is the
ओके
tail.
यस यार दिस इज कॉल्ड जोकर फिश
Yes, sir. This is the mouth and this is the tail.
ओके नाइस
Scientific name Epidendrum.
एपिडेंड्रम दिस इज आल्सो ऑर्किड क्या
Yes,
दिस
sir.
वन
This is the
बट दिस हैज नो अच्छा लीफ
yeah, it's in the budding stage, sir.
अच्छा ओके
Not blooming yet. Peacher's plant, sir.
व्हाट
Peacher's plant, the insectivorous plant.
ओह अच्छा अच्छा कार्निवोरस प्लांट्स दीस आर ऑल कार्निवोरस प्लांट्स
It is not on our kids, sir.
This is what eats you. Remember? Plant? Yeah.
ओके है
Okay, sir. And this is Peacher's plant. It's our Indian native, sir. And it's found only Meghalaya state, sir. In our country, it's found only Meghalaya state.
ओके
Scientific name is Nepenthes khasiana, sir. It's
Okay.
reported that from Meghalaya. That's why it's called as Nepenthes khasiana.
ओके
Okay, sir. And this plant grow where there is less nitrogen in the soil, sir.
Okay.
So to get nitrogen, they eat insects.
ओके सो मेघालय would have less nitrogen
Yes, because Meghalaya gives a heavy rainfall. Due to that, the soil nitrogen, so that soil nitrogen become less. It's flasher, you know.
okay
Papa, if I insect go in there,
it will eat the insect. Oh, you see this item? This is also a different one. This plant, they eat insect. All of these plants, na, they eat
This
insects.
is the you can see. This is Venus flytraps. We have the small one.
Of this plant.
No, sir. This is another genus. Sir.
Papa, one.
Okay.
Papa, I know.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
See
this
this.
we have the
Ivan,
small one.
see this. You
Yeah.
see this?
Yeah,
If you touch it,
It goes like this, no?
it will close.
yeah. It's very pointy.
Yeah. When ant go inside, it will close itself.
How did you know? Have you ever seen this?
Where have you seen all this? Bhaiya is asking you.
Watch it.
You watch it? Achha.
You watch in there.
Devil
Devil
flower.
flower, sir.
What is this about?
It's a rare plant. That's why we keep here, sir.
Okay.
It's not an orchid because
not
it
an
does not have 6 petals of flowers, sir.
Yes, yes. And it does not have those
Yes,
straight
yes,
lines,
yes,
na?
yes.
And ये कौन सा वाला है?
एक second, dada.
In Assamese we call it as boil cocoa, sir. Data in the orchid.
Huh?
Data in the orchid.
Dated in the orchid.
Data in the orchid.
Dated in the orchid. Okay.
Okay, sir. This is called Silojari.
Just give me a minute. Huh?
This is joker face orchid.
Acha, again, that was white.
Yes, it is.
And this is orange joker face. We just saw a white one.
Okay, sir. So this is called lady slipper orchid because it's shaped like a lady slipper, sir. Scientific name Pepidella. This is called Pepidella spiceria.
Okay.
This is another one. This is another species. Genus is same, species is different.
Okay. This. Okay. This is also a flower, kya? Or
Yes,
this
sir.
is the
Yes,
plant?
sir. Yes, orchid.
No, but this, acha, 1, 2, 3, 4.
In back
And then this is 5.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I will count it, sir.
Hmm.
1, 2,
Two,
3,
three,
4,
four.
5. This is a different one, sir.
Okay. This is considered as leaf, kya? This is also like a leaf.
Leaf.
Matlab, you said 5 petals, right?
It's 6 petals.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
This is
sir.
considered
Yes, yes.
considered as petal,
Yes,
and
sir.
this is also one petal.
Yes, sir. Hold on, sir. Yes, sir. And the another species of lady slipper is Meghalaya state flower. That's called Pepidellum insignis. This the blooming season is called. Sir.
Okay.
And this one also does not require the
Watering.
soil. Yeah, that's why we put bricks and charcoal.
And most of these plants, they are not growing. Oh, अच्छा. Sonko के घर पे याद है तुमको छत पे गए थे? They all those were orchids. घर में भी वैसे wood पे लगा हुआ था ना. It was all orchids. एक सेकंड. This ये भी वो क्या lady क्या? Joker. This is also a joker face.
And yes, sir. 70% orchid will bloom spring season.
70% they bloom in spring season. This one is big one, na? But generally orchids are small size, na?
Yes, sir. The wild one are small. The hybrid are a little bit bigger than
एक सेकंड ना मैं बस निकल जाता हूँ.
Ketilia, and it has a good fragrance. If you want to try, you can try it.
अच्छा, it has fragrance.
Yes.
And this is also fragrance.
They are from the same body.
It's they are from different body. This one,
They are sisters.
this one has fragrance.
Yellow and orange.
Because it is hybrid, that's why it has different colors.
Okay.
And this is called starfish orchid, sir, because it's like a starfish.
Oh yeah.
Scientific name Phalaenopsis melus.
It looks like. Oh yes, yes,
5
yeah.
are similar, one is different.
If we touch it, what will happen?
Nothing won't happen because it's only a flower. Yes.
Yep. Nice here. You guys have got great collection.
Thank you, sir.
See how, matlab, you have to see it so closely, Naili, to see the star. You see?
You don't have to. I can see it straight from here.
And this is also some. This is also.
Dendrobium.
This is also orchid.
Yes. It's in budding stage. It will bloom, sir. I think we have 1 or 2 years, sir. Yeah, it's about to bloom, sir.
अच्छा, is this insect is वो वाला क्या?
I think it's a pollinator, sir.
This one is the pollinator. So when you get flowers, do you get pollinators as well when you get it?
Yes, sir. We don't pollinate here. The insect used to pollinate.
No, no. When you get flowers from outside,
Yes, sir.
do you get the pollinator as well from?
No. We don't.
Because you said that they have specific pollinators.
Yes.
Then?
If it's hybrid, then the hybrid does not need a pollinator, sir.
Okay.
Because it's made in lab. No?
Okay.
The wild one is naturally formed here.
Okay.
That's why the pot are made out, sir.
Hmm?
That's why the pot come out.
Okay.
And theory. Yes, it's normal plant. It's not an Okay, sir. Yeah, you can even try this one also.
So this is also this one, क्या?
Vanilla, sir. This is the original one.
Okay.
With this one beans, you can make 1,000 to 2,000 ice creams.
Okay.
Sir, here we have 20 points. This is the first point, sir. And that is the second point, some next amazing. Or you can see a different kind of points, sir.
Okay. They also have orchids, okay?
No, sir. You won't find any orchid anymore. This is only the 4 orchids.
Okay. But good year. Thank you. एक बार just
Yes, sir.
can I pick one?
Yes, sir, but you can take.
No, I'll not take.
Yes. 40,000. This is the driver.
This is vanilla.
Vanilla, yes.
So you just put the leaf, you break it, and you can put it for the
this
flavor.
is not the leaf, sir. This is the pot.
This is the pot.
Yes, that.
Okay, that pot. Pot
Yes,
is
sir,
dried.
yes.
Okay. And which one is considered to be the most beautiful among all the orchids? Is it like this is the best?
It depend on you, sir.
Person to person.
But for yes.
But in general, when people talk about it,
I think
which one is considered the best?
For me, that pineapple orchid and cattleyas.
Cattleya is?
That you have smell.
Cattleya, okay.
Yes.
And pineapple one is which one?
Pineapple is that yellow one. It's shaped like a pineapple. That side.
Which
color,
one?
That one.
Can you show it to me? once
That
again?
one is yes.
This.
That
Which one?
that orange one, sir. Or yellow one, sorry for it.
Okay, those small ones,
Yes,
kya?
sir. For me, that is the best.
The lady, kya? The laughing face.
No, sir, not that one. That is the cold face.
Achha, this one, kya?
Yes. For me, this is the best. I don't know about the
Others' opinion, na?
but my opinion, this is the best.
Okay.
नाही ग समोरून घे तू
Vanilla bonus. Vanilla bonus is these are all fur. It's called state horn fur. Look like a state.
It starts soon, yeah.
State horn.
Yeah.
That's what's called state horn fur.
Yeah.
एक के एक कैसा हाथ
2,000 species of orchids in this space.
करू शकता का
Boss, you have done a very, very good detailed one. Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. If you want to give a feedback, there is a feedback book here.
Acha. Your name?
My name is Dipendra Rompi.
Dipendra?
Yeah, Rompi.
Dipendra ke liye ho jabu tu.
Yes, okay.
And can we buy orchids also from
Yes,
here?
sir. We have the nursery in the
Okay.
outside.
Can you give me that form? Okay.
There is a copy.
This one? Okay. And is this a government?
It's a private.
This is private. ये भी ऑर्किड ही है सब इतना बड़ा बड़ा.
Yes. And orchid is a non-parasitic. You can see the
No
early
parasites.
example, yes.
And why? What makes them non-parasitic?
Non-parasitic means is the
No, no, that I got it.
Yes.
But why? What makes them non-parasitic?
Because it consume the water from air, so
Okay.
from night. It collect the moistures from air, and it collect minerals from the rainwater. Sir.
Okay. Dipendra. But I'm just filling a feedback form for him. Ivan?
I will what that
ये सारे ऑर्किड्स जो थे ना वो देखा था याद है तुमको वो शंकु के घर पे लटके हुए थे ना दैट लॉक्स दोज वर ऑर्किड्स
हे वातावरणात हे जिवंत सेल केलेली होती पाईपाला लटकलेलं आहे हे जिवंत काय कारण हे जे वेदर आहे या वेदरमध्ये ह्युमिडिटीमध्ये शोधून घेतात ते वातावरणातलं आणि त्याच्यावर